Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we are showing you how we can develop the front end on Microsoft Excel while having the database and the back end that is on Microsoft Access, and we connect it through VBA, ADODB, and connection is established, and then we put the data into the transfer the data through the form into the Access table and get it retrieved into our front-end reports, dashboard reports. The reports are using the data which is placed in Microsoft Access table, right? So in previous video, we showed you an example that how you create a new user, right? And in the user, in this, we used a different method that is first of every month mode. So uh, uh, let me revise what we have been doing in our previous video, and this was our video. And let me
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
stop it.
Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to.
Okay, so this is uh, the video, and what we did here was we filled in a form. Yeah, we filled in the form. Yeah, all these fillings were done, right? And right, these were the unperformed date and from and to date. Yeah, it's a period from. So this is the example that in which what we do is hang on. Uh, that a field force scenario in which uh, the field staff has to visit the doctors in their area, and there is a mandate that they have to complete certain number of visits to the customer, so to the doctor. So 5 visits are supposed to be reported first of every month, and this is the local rate, and these are the email address, and this is the report title which will appear, and then you have to click add, and it is going to do all these addition into the table, and you will see that everything was added, and then you see that you get a message that all the records were successfully added. Yeah, the process completed successfully, and that's it. So this was the recap of our previous video. So let me close it so that I close this video, and yeah. So I'm back to my program. So in our previous video, we showed you that in the next video, we are going to configure this button, improve. If this button it was working, mostly the things were unchanged. Only when a record is called, an edit, or a performance is or clearance or backlog is entered, so then there are certain things, some enhancement which were done, we are going to show you right now. So what we do here is this was the function in which we carried on this. Okay, so this is where it determine which mode is it going to do, right? Okay. M mode means for all the options which are available in the form, they are each one's option. This is the per day mode, and you have some more options uh, like last day of every month, 15th of every month, third Wednesday of every month. This we will do later, but second 22nd of every month. Yeah. So except of this, we have configured it, right? So let me put, we have put the breakpoint there, and now let's click this OK Go button. Clicking this means that we want to add the clearance of backlog, right? So the clearance of backlog is to be added using this button. We click OK. So it is now determining that which mode it should work. Is it a per day? No, it is first of every month mode. So then for first of every month, if the first of every month, then check will be check is equal to 1, right? Check because the first of every month, right? Okay. So we press F8, you see this is how it is going. Then it is going to jump to this stage where if the day is 1, it is not 1 at the moment. So it will keep on checking, right? It will keep on checking and then it will perform its job, right? So it will only work on the first of every month basis, right? So this is the improvement we have done, and that is going to cater all the conditions in which you have all the modes which you have added into the drop down combo box, right? Okay, so let's remove this and see that once all the records are added, what does it do, right? So it will go out of the leave loop, and here, yeah. Okay, so it has done its job. It is now out. Okay, so what will you see here? You will see if you go into the master, uh, okay, RST is update, RST dot update. It is not RSX, it is RST. This is the mistake we were doing. It is supposed to be RST, not RSX. Okay, so we got to replace all those RSX to be RST. Okay, so what we do here is let's just stop it and do it again. RST dot update is the right command. Okay. So what we do here is that we click on here and it is now, it has updated. It has updated the record set. And if you refresh it, it is ready to add 5 records, right? So let's see. Okay. So now this time it is 60, right? And 30 are overdue and 60 are this. Okay. So this is, so you can see that the marking of the performance, the clearance of backlog is done with a data stamp, and not only that much are left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fives are 30. So 30 are overdue, and that matches it, right? And total for 90, yes. Why 90? If you can verify it like this, since it is 18 days means are listed, 18 dates are listed, right? So 18 fives are 90, right? That's right. So 90 minus 30 is 60, which have been performed, right? So this is how it is being done, and you can still check if the rollback is working fine or not. You can click, for example, in the rollback, we use the performance date on, make sure, right? And we say, okay, please roll back. So it rolls back. Let me clear all the breakpoints so that uh, it runs uninterrupted. Right. So it is ready to roll back until 29. Yes. And that's it. So it is back into the same position from which it started, right? 90 and 35 were actually performed, and 55 were overdue. Okay. So if we remove all this, and now if we click go, it's going to offer you that you add 5 days clearance. So which 5 days? This is are actually 5 months, right? Means 1st of March, 1 month. This is 1st of April, 1st of May, 1st of June, 1st of July. So these are the first, these are the dates. dates of performance, right? So these are performed, and you can see that chart is available with this. You can you make the chart reappear by just clicking on it, and it is going to show you the latest position of Amit Javed, of his visiting of the doctors. Backlog of 30 doctors is remaining, and he can perform it on, he can report it on daily basis, and uh, as we enter it. So this keeps going, decreasing and decreasing until all the backlog is performed. So this is another aspect of using our application. You can use it for visiting doctors, visiting outlets, or any other similar task in which you have the task, and you have you want to, to track the performance, and overdues. If there is any overdues, also you can apply some financials using any rate which you want for per activity to be done. Uh, that can be for uh, any purpose. Normally, companies say that, okay, this the fine of 30,000 is to make him fear the field staff, that if he does not uh, regularly visit the FASA, he is going to be face the penalty. So this will force him to be disciplined, right? Otherwise, the company can use can make a fund. Uh, so have all these amount deposited in a fund that is going to be awarded to the good performers, those who are performing and those who are not performing. So those who are not performing, they are actually being charged, and they are going to be uh, uh, mm, contributing to a fund which is going to benefit those who were performing well, right? So these are different aspects of your dashboard which you can utilize. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.